114 shirt and hoodie order. So stay tuned right after this intro. Thank you for watching that intro. If you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button if you find this useful to you. If you are a returning viewer, welcome back. Sorry about the beginning. I had the cutter going, so it was a little bit loud. 114 to do. I have 2 different locations I have to do. I have 41 that's just getting, actually 40, 56. I have 61 that's getting just a chest logo, and then I have 50, don't want to lie to you guys, man. So I have 53 t-shirts that are getting 2 different types of logos. And yes, guys, the screen printing would be ideal to do this because it's fast, and I would have probably been done already. So with this, I could have ordered transfers, but for me, the economy is a little bit bad, and I've been a little bit slow for the last couple months. I mean, my last big order was back in the end of June. So in order for me to try to accumulate some of that loss of revenue, I decided to do it myself out of vinyl, which in return, I'll make more money than ordering transfers because I'm giving somebody else money, and then I'm coming here and I'm still pressing them. So because I have vinyl here, it was cheaper for me to do it out of vinyl and make more profit. More, I don't want to say more profit, but more, yeah, you can say that, more gain to my business. This is it right here, guys. These little pieces, I want to show you, and this is just from 3 chest logos. So I'm going to be here a while. And this is why I decided to go with the screen printing. This is why I brought the screen printing, because it's gonna make my job a lot easier, a lot faster. Production cost is gonna be a lot cheaper. Yes, the initial cost of buying the machine and buying all the inks is a nice lump sum. The inks coming for Plastisol. And the printer's actually gonna be here next week. I already got a confirmation that's sent. So yeah, next week I'm gonna be unboxing that printer and a couple of other stuff that I bought from other companies for screen printing. I don't wanna show you too much about, me weeding this out, because you guys know how to weed this out already. If you don't, you can go back to one of my other videos. Also cutting, you guys know how I do that. That's just gonna be a simple process. This is gonna take a long time, so I guess let me get to work. Another day, time for production. Just gonna show a quick little clips, just so you can see how easy it can be done.
Something in the air. I know you want me. Something in the air. I know you want me. Something in the air. I know you want me.
now it is time to press. And yes, I probably should have got a tank top because it's gonna get hot. I'm gonna be doing every single one of them by sizes and by the print. So I have, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different sets that I have to do with different prints. So what I usually do, I come in here, I take all the moisture out, I hang them up, then I
Something in the air. I know you want me. Something in the air. I know you want me.
YouTube. So it's another day. Everything was finished yesterday. Today I am actually bagging and boxing, getting ready to ship out. I just want to say yes, it took a little bit of time. It's something that's not, maybe you might be able to weed in one day, press another day, and maybe by the end of that day you might be bagging and tagging and whatever the case may be. So it takes a little bit of time to do vinyl actually. So don't get discouraged, because even if you have a screen printing press or whatever the case may be, if you're only limited to vinyl, it can be done. It can be done. All these are all printed, as you guys can see. All of them are all printed. All 53 shirts are all printed, tagged and bagged. Actually, let me grab you guys so you guys can see for yourself. Sorry, I'm taking you guys with me. So all the 53 shirts are all done. These are all printed already. Pretty much for the bags, I use a 10 by 13, I want to say. Yes, 10 by 13 to do the shirts. For the actual sweaters and hoodies, I use a 13 by 19 bag. This is all ready to go. All printed and ready to go. Now I have these. Actually, these two are actually going to go to one place. This is just an empty box. That's where I'm going to be putting the shirts at. So yeah, 114. Hold on, guys. Let me put you guys back up on the stand. Sorry, I'm giving you a tour of my whole house. Sorry if you see it all distorted, but all right. So yeah, 114 can be done out of vinyl and can be shipped out in a decent amount of time. Don't limit yourself. If you could do it screen printing, you could do it vinyl wise. Yes, it is quicker that way, or if you do DTF transfers. But if you don't have the machinery, don't put your money out there on transfers. Do it yourself. I mean, this is why you're going into business, is to keep all the money for yourself. If I can do it, any one of you guys can. And I did multiple colors. I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different colors. Yeah, 5 different colors. Actually 6 different colors, because I had a dark maroon on one of on these golds are dark maroon. So yeah, if you can cut 6 different colors and get everything done and pressed, I want to tell you that Fascia Studio, Fancy Studio, whatever you want to call it, Fascia Studio, heat press is a workhorse. I've had that thing since 2020, 2019, and that thing is still going. I have an old video on my YouTube if you guys want to check that out. I gave it a 1-year review and it's still going. And I tell you what, if they made one that was bigger with a slide out drawer and auto open, I probably would have bought another one. But she's still doing good for me. I'm not getting rid of her until she kapoots. Knock on wood, we don't want to spend money right now. So yeah, that's as easy as it goes, guys. I'm going to continue bagging up all this stuff. I thank you guys for joining me on this video, on this 114 shirt order. And actually, I still got 2 more to print before I can actually ship this out, because I'm waiting for Circle Clothing to send out the damages. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I really enjoy you guys always liking my comments and liking my videos, and also leaving comments. I do get back to you guys. I read all my comments. I don't leave nobody out. So if you want to say something, put it in the comments. I'll get to it. So once again, thank you guys. It's been fun. It's been a pleasure. I'm out of here. Peace. Put God first and everything else will fall in play.